welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to another vlog, another day of kitchen renovations. I wasn't going to vlog today, but I figured I would just put several days this week into a vlog. So I'm just going to show you the progress we're making on the kitchen. It won't be a full day vlog each day, but I thought I'd just get down to the things that we're doing in the kitchen. So I'm going to show you a couple things that have happened today, tell you what our plans are. We've had some changes, but it's all good. We're all moving in the right direction. So let me show you a few of the things we've done. So yesterday we got this up. I showed you in here. I still have to do a few things in this room, but I love the look of that wooden shelf in there. Over here, they came in and they put some mud all up here, and look at my light. It is in, and I have a little switch right here, flips it on, and it is so bright and beautiful, and I am excited about that. So that is a huge thing. They also moved my other plug up. We did talk about rearranging things, maybe moving my stove here, leveling the floor. We have having issues with really uneven floor, but we did decide on a solution, so I'll share that with you in a little while. They're going to do that this afternoon. Right now they're having a lunch break, so when they come back in, I'll show you the progress that's made this afternoon, tell you what our plans are, and we will go from there. Alright, so here we are a few hours later, and they just left for the day, and this is what they did. They basically, our floors are not level. 7/8 of an inch difference. 7/8 of an inch difference. Marion measured from this end to this end, so we would have to bring the cabinets up like that much, and then it just would be a problem. So instead of having to like shim each cabinet, which would be a major pain, all the way up to that point, we got this stuff. It's like a self-leveling, it's like a concrete kind of, and mixed it and poured it, and then it self-levels, so it's going to move all the way down. Takes 2 to 4 hours, and he's going to come back tomorrow, and he's gone for the day now, so he's going to check and see if it's level. If not, we'll add another bag tomorrow. And he finished all the electrical work today. So tomorrow he's going to come in and he's going to replace all the pipes for our sink, dishwasher. It's going to run, they run under the floor all the way up to the water heater. He's actually going to have to replace all of that because it's galvanized. So he says that will take him a good part of the day. So that is what the plan is for tomorrow. That is Tuesday. So Tuesday night, Wednesday maybe, we will be setting in cabinets. So I'll probably not going to work on this today just because that's kind of the next thing. But Marion did hang my rod again in here, so the laundry room is coming along, very close to being finished. Obviously need to do my trim, need to get my window, and yeah. Alright, so it's been a few hours, and we measured again. We have a line where the cabinets will go, top of the cabinets, and it's still off about a ½ inch, so he's gonna probably have to do another layer of this self-leveling stuff and see if it works tomorrow. If that doesn't work, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know. I'm so over trying to level this floor or figure out a way to level this floor. But my stepson Michael's on his way over here, and Marion and Michael are gonna bring up the dishwasher because he's going to be doing the plumbing for that tomorrow. So they're gonna bring up the dishwasher tonight, and so that we can have it ready for him tomorrow. So I get to actually look at it. I've never even seen my dishwasher because if you remember, the one we ordered never came in, so we got to pick another one, but I only saw a little picture of it online, and so we've had it at our house for weeks, but we've never opened it. So they'll be bringing it upstairs, and I'll get to actually look at it, so I'll show you what it looks like. But I'm excited. I remember on the picture had like a handle across the front, and then the controls are on the door, on the top of the door, so it's gonna look really nice, and I cannot wait to start opening all this stuff up that we've had sitting down there for weeks.
Get it?
All right, here's my dishwasher.
Nice.
With the buttons on the top. That's, yeah, super fun.
Fun, look at
but
that.
I opened it and it almost fell on top of me, so I'm gonna leave that closed. These boxes are massive. That does not look like it fits, but that's the sink cabinet.
Oh, fun.
So let's see, it's gonna be that cabinet right there, and then my dishwasher, and then my sink cabinet. We had to bring those up so far. is the next day, and I am sitting outside with the boys. I got my nephews here playing. They're swimming. It is hot. I'm gonna move over into the shade. I'm trying to get a video up for you guys because I was supposed to have one up this morning, but ouch. Ooh, these hollyberry leaves hurt. We were out last night. I don't know if I told you that. We went out last night and went and played putt-putt, got some pizza. It was just much needed, so I didn't get a video. Oh, and then Michael and Danielle came over, and we visited until like 10:30 or something, so that's what I'm trying to do now. But we've got this window open because there was so much dust, drywall dust in there. They're coming along. In a little while I'll take you in and let you see the progress for today. So they're gone, and I just swept and mopped all the floors. I need to still vacuum in there, but I didn't film that. I just had to sweep up a big thick layer. I'll show you. See that dust on everything? It's drywall dust because they mudded all this and then sanded it. My light's hanging down, but while the electrical's done, I think all the plumbing is done. They got everything ready for my dishwasher tomorrow right there, and then they went ahead and put another layer of this floor leveler on. So we're hoping that with the second one it will make up the difference. We were still like a ½ inch, so we are hoping that that works. And then tomorrow they will be here to help set the cabinets. We did decide he had basically blocked off through tomorrow for us. He left a little early today because he had an appointment, but plus he had pretty much done all that he could do other than setting in cabinets, but he can't do that because that stuff has to dry for 4 hours. So he left a little early today, and he asked us would we like him to come back tomorrow because he'd already blocked it off and help set the cabinets and all that. And we decided we would like his help because Marion is just a little anxious about a few certain things, and he said he's here, he might as well. And we said yeah, we would just go ahead and use him tomorrow. He's gonna hopefully set, so tomorrow's Wednesday. We were hoping to have cabinets Monday because that's what he told us, but we ran into the issue with the leveling, and then we also ran into some plumbing issues. He decided he was going to replace the plumbing because we have galvanized plumbing. So we were going to replace the plumbing line from the water heater over to the sink. And as he was looking at it, he realized that every fitting, like if he breaks the fitting, he has to replace a whole pipe to the next fitting. If he breaks that one, basically we have to replace all the pipes in our house. And so basically he's told us that is in our future. So that will be our next big project, I guess. But he kind of gave us like a quote if we wanted to have him do it, but we're not going to have that done right now. So he went ahead and he was able to find a fitting to go over the existing pipes, and we'll be able to put the dishwasher in. But we do need to look into the future getting our pipes replaced. Thankfully he was able to find that part though, because we did plan on him spending all day today replacing the piping from the, you know, dishwasher to the water heater, but that's not going to happen. Basically he got here this morning, he said it's not going to happen. So we will have to replace our pipes. Not any surprise though, you know, this house is 70 years old, 70 something years old, so we knew these things are coming eventually. He says it could last 5 years, could last 10 years, or it could break tomorrow, and you know. So definitely that will be something we'll be doing next. But I'm too chatty. I feel like all I'm doing is talking these days because I'm not doing the work. So I'm just explaining the work to y'all. But I am about to upload another vlog for y'all because I know I'm behind. It's Tuesday, I haven't uploaded, so I'm working on it. But I don't know if I'm gonna do much more vlogging today just because I don't think there's gonna be anything happening. This evening I have errands to run. I have to run out and get some stuff for my sister. She lives in the Bahamas, and someone's heading down there to bring them some supplies. So I'll be working on that. Plus I got my nephews here. I'm going to do some more cleaning and upload video, and then I'll probably just catch up with you guys tomorrow when our cabinets are being set. You just don't know. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. It'll be a week and a half that we've gone without a kitchen, without a sink, most importantly. So I'm looking forward to having that sink, and I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. Alright guys, it is Wednesday. It's the day we're setting in cabinets. This is what my kitchen currently looks like. I have not had a shower. I'm not going to show you my face right now, but we were just trying to talk about how we're going to level everything. But they're going to come in. They're outside right now, but the workers are going to come in and set these. I won't be recording it because we're not actually doing that work when they're done or they take breaks, I'll show you what's going on. We are going to be doing these ourselves, and the backsplash and fixing the walls and all that. So I will show you step by step what we do with those. But they are going to be setting these and countertops, so I'll try to catch a few shots in between. I'm going to jump in the shower, and I'm going to get my nephews today so Jackson and them can hang out. So I'll just be showing you the progress as it comes along today. Well, they got my sink cabinet out of the box, and the white. Seeing all the white in here, it just is so beautiful with all the boxes out. I love the floor with the white. Oh, it's gonna look so pretty. All right, here's your 12 o'clock update. They leveled, see, they got these two in perfectly level, but then we got a big old drop down. So that's got to come up. But then my stove, yeah, I don't want my stove to be too different there, but I trust them. We're letting them do as much as they can today, and they may even come back tomorrow. I mentioned that they may come back tomorrow, and I don't know. We don't know. We'll see. I will keep you posted, but I am excited to see cabinets going in. Of course, there's now a new layer of dust on everything, so trust me, there's gonna be some deep cleaning when this is done. All right, here's another update. I think it's like 1:30 or something. Doesn't really matter. It's lunchtime. They left to get lunch and to get a couple pieces of wood, but I know that this vlog, like, I'm not showing you me doing the work, like I said, but they are having to do this work. And Marion is really swamped with his job, and so because we ran into already so many issues with the floor sloping and all that, he just thought it was worth it to just have them do this. And it still took them hours, two professionals, you know, like all morning to level these 3 cabinets. So it would have taken us a lot longer, but oh, my phone's going off. But we will be doing the upper cabinets, we will be doing the backsplash, we will be doing all the finishing work. So that'll be fun to actually get back in here. I feel like I've just been sitting and waiting for this whole week. I didn't know it was going to take this long for him to do everything, and that there's like nothing I can do in here. So I'm just having to like wait for like a week. We ripped everything out, and then we had 2 days of flooring and painting, and then we've just had to like wait. So this vlog is just going to be all the things he's been doing, but I'm going to show you what he's done. This is Wednesday, so he did now say it's probably going to be tomorrow before my countertops are in, but because he's estimating through the end of tomorrow he'll be done. And then he's gonna, it's not going to be done, but his part will be done. So, and tomorrow Madison graduates from college from her cosmetology school she's been going to since last June, and so we're so proud of her. But we're going to go to her little graduation tomorrow, and then we're going to go out to dinner with our whole family. So hopefully we'll be able to go to a restaurant. I'm not really sure, but that's the plan. But I'll be vlogging tomorrow too. So let me show you what he's done so far and what he still has to do today. So I think when I showed you last, this was not in. This one was, but this. So it took them a long time. They had to like bring it up at the bottom and level it. So see, what they did was they poured that leveler, the self leveler, but now it just really, they shouldn't have put it over here because it's still just way too high, like an inch too high. So they're actually gonna have to cut that out to put these in, to set them down, because they're gonna be too high otherwise. And then, but these are perfectly level, and then my stove's gonna go here. So thankfully they got some of it level, and we're gonna just, you know, have countertops gonna go there and all the way over here. And then whenever they are done, we're gonna move the stove, and then we have a big cabinet, 36-inch cabinet here with countertops, and then we'll put the shelves. So that's going to be really pretty, and it's going to tie into this. So it's about this same size of a cabinet that's going to go behind me over here. So that's the progress so far. So I need a good solid day of like no one in my house when the work is done. Shampoo my rugs, mop, sweep, dust, put everything up. Oh, I just can't wait. Just cannot wait. But it will happen eventually, and you guys are so sweet in your comments. You know, I know it's gonna be worth it. It's all gonna be worth it. And some of you said you've waited like 6 and 7 weeks. I cannot imagine having my kitchen out of commission for that long. I'm like going crazy, and it's only been a week and a half. I do have a small house, and I have a lot of foot traffic. Just people always here, always in. You can hear my nephews are here. Just people always in and out, and so this is just really throwing me for a loop. But it will be worth it. I am not complaining. It will all be worth it. And my kitchen's gonna be beautiful. It's so fun seeing the white with the floor and everything, like just kind of getting an idea of what it's going to look like, although that needs to go because that just gives it so much yellow light in here. I hate it. So maybe I'll put the pendant lights in here. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Look at my kitchen taking shape. I'm so excited. So it is 4 o'clock. They are done for the day. But we got, I say we, but they got everything level. All the way up to here. We do have a little bit of a lip right here, plus another inch with the counters. But they told us that we could actually move this up. It has like things on it like the dishwasher, so that we can like make it taller. So who knew that? So I'm not gonna have that as big of a gap as I thought. But just thought I'd give you a sneak peek. They will be back tomorrow, so they'll put my countertops in, and they actually said they'll put these up for us, and I think Marion's gonna let them because he's just overwhelmed with work right now, and since we have the concrete wall, I set it and set it and set it, but they went ahead and bought, I don't know where they're at, they bought the right anchors for the wall. I don't know if I told you or not, but we had the base 24, or the corner cabinet, and then a 12-inch cabinet on each side, but we actually have room over here to put an 18-inch, so it would be this wide up here. So we're going to take back the little 12. It's actually, there's actually 2 of them right here. We're going to take one of these back and get an 18-inch wall cabinet, so I'll have a little bit more storage space up there. But I was really worried about this. See how this sticks out, Marion? But I don't think it's like that big of a deal.
Once I change the way this opens, it'll be easier.
Yeah, this door is like over here, but we're gonna have to change that. Plus, when we get all the hardware on, it'll be easier. But this is my sink base, which is a lot bigger than what I had before. My one before didn't even have a bottom on it, so that's great. My dishwasher, he's got everything ready, just has to hook it up tomorrow. And then he's gonna come in and put another piece of wood right here so that it covers that. And I'll paint that, and then also this, because he made this little corner piece. I'll paint that white to match the cabinet so you won't know. And he also built this corner brace right here so that we can, because there's nothing obviously there. Marion says we should put a little time capsule in there. I hate that I'm losing all that storage space, but what are you gonna do? I didn't like the look of the cabinets that are like, they're like this and they have a hinge and it opens up like the Lazy Susan. I just didn't, for me, I didn't want that look, so that's why I chose what I did. But there's a look for today. Tomorrow we'll get the countertops, and then Marion and I are going to put the base one over here with the countertop. And I'm excited because I'm going to have a kitchen. Oh, and he said my sink's going in tomorrow and it's going to be working.
By the end of the day.
So I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog because that's all the progress that's going to be made. Tomorrow is Madison's graduation, so I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow and obviously showing you the finished countertops, sink, all that stuff. And then we still have days and days work because we still have to do the backsplash. I have to repair my bricks and probably add more to that side, whitewash them, paint all the trim, scrub my house from top to bottom. You know, it's a never-ending list. So there will be more vlogs with the kitchen, but I'll end this one for now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. I know this one we didn't do anything, it was all the contractors, but at least you got to see some progress, and it is moving along. It's been a week and a half, so I guess that's pretty good considering some of you guys say 6 and 7 weeks that your kitchen was out of commission. So anyway, my house is trashed, but what's new? I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.